Move your hand, Melissa.
That's not them. Those are... Ah!
You can't eat a burger in safety around here. Did it take it? Oh.
Kurwa!
Are you serious right now? I want fries, I said.
You have your own. Why don't you eat your own?
Yours are always better, you know that.
Don't touch my food. Don't touch my food. You have your food. Look at, show people your food. Why are you eating from my plate?
Your food tastes better. Duh.
Look,
Wow.
guys, she has her food. Look. Eat your food now.
But I like yours.
If you touch my food again, I'll be mad at you. Leave my food alone.
Okay, fine. Great, here he goes.
Leave me alone. Why you don't want to? You people leave me. Why is everybody stopping my food?
What are you doing? I won't take more of your food. Just come back.
To do what?
To eat.
You will leave me alone.
Yeah. Wow. Now, oh my God, holy shit, Bam. Oh my God, my cell phone is over there, Bam. Holy fuck. Oh my God, I'm scared.
Why did you bring me here now? You should have told me. They've carried every food.
Holy shit, Bam, my phone is over there. Guys.
It just happened to you guys?
Yeah, we had to they're gonna start eating us.
Oh my God.
they finished the whole
They just
food.
ripped up everything we just bought.
It's like a feeding frenzy, like sharks.
Oh my God.
We had to put all that stuff in the cooler. That's the only way we could get rid of them because they get crazy.
Lamb. My phone is, I don't even want to get my phone.
Except for the shoe.
Oh my God.
They like flew up the meat for their shoe because they don't even know what's what.
Yeah. Oh no. That is, I'm so upset. Wow. Well, there goes that.
Good.
All right, bye. Go away. Go away. Get the fuck out of here. Oh. They literally just took everything.
Give me. Why did you bring me here to even come and do this thing? They ate all the food.
Yeah, it's all gone.
You people are mad.
I think did they take our masks too?
Where's our mask?